Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to our channel, Destination Zen. Today, we've got something truly exciting in store for all you travel enthusiasts and wanderlusters out there. We're taking you on an epic journey to one of the most mesmerizing and unexpected gems on the planet, Newfoundland. Now, if you're new here or just looking to dip your toes into the world of travel, you're in the right place. We've put together the ultimate beginner's guide to Newfoundland, a place that's as diverse as it's breathtaking. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. You won't want to miss any of our travel tips and adventures. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started on your Newfoundland adventure of a lifetime. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Newfoundland is Canada's easternmost province, and it's often lovingly referred to as the Rock. Why the Rock, you ask? Well, just wait until you see its rugged coastlines that stretches as far as the eye can see. Oh, and the wildlife? From majestic whales to adorable puffins, this place is like an animal lover's dream come true. Here's a fun fact. Newfoundland has its very own unique time zone. It's not on Eastern Standard Time or EST like most Eastern Canada. Instead, it operates on Newfoundland Standard Time or NST, which is 30 minutes ahead of EST, and during Daylight Saving Time, it even goes ahead by another 30 minutes to the Newfoundland Daylight Saving Time or NDT. So, when the rest of Canada sets their clocks forward or back by an hour, Newfoundland does its own thing, getting there and around. Now let's talk about getting here. You have few options. You can hop on a ferry from the mainland or fly into one of the airports in St. John's or Gander. Once you're there, we highly recommend renting a car. Why? Because Newfoundland's real charm lies in the hidden treasures, and you'll want the freedom to explore every nook and cranny. Where to stay? Alright, let's talk about where to rest your weary head after a day of adventure. Newfoundland offers a range of accommodations to suit every taste and budget. If you're a nature lover, consider camping. There's nothing quite like falling asleep under the starlit Newfoundland sky. For those who prefer cozy comforts, you'll find charming B&Bs and guest houses that offers warm hospitality and a hearty Newfoundland breakfast. Here's a good to know tip. Many Newfoundlanders are known for their friendly nature. Don't be surprised if your host invites you for a chat and a cup of tea. It's all part of the warm Newfoundland culture. Must-see sites. Now let's go to the good stuff. Newfoundland is packed with must-see sites, but one that tops the list is Grossmore National Park. Imagine hiking through landscapes so stunning they're a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The fjords, mountains, and pristine lakes here are like nowhere else on Earth. And speaking of unique, here's another fun fact. Newfoundland is famous for being one of the best places in the world to view icebergs. These massive ice structures drift down from the Arctic every spring and early summer. What's intriguing is that many of these icebergs are thousands of years old, dating back to the last ice age. Seeing these ice giants up close is a humbling and awe-inspiring experience. Embrace the culture. Newfoundland isn't just about jaw-dropping scenery. It's also about heartwarming culture. The locals are known for their warm hospitality and incredible music. You might even find yourself toe-tapping to some traditional jigs and local pubs. Embrace it. You're now an honorary Newfoundlander. Remember, taking the time to chat with locals can lead to some incredible stories and insights into the rich culture. Local cuisine. Oh, and let's not forget the food. Newfoundland cuisine is a seafood lover's paradise. From cod tongues to fisherman's brewers, you're in for a culinary adventure. And speaking of seafood, you can't live without trying some fresh Newfoundland lobsters. It's a true delicacy. Our good to know tip here is to seek out local eateries and try the catch of the day. You won't be disappointed. Safety and respect. Before we wrap up, a quick word on safety and respect. While exploring this stunning province, be sure to respect the environment and wildlife. And when you encounter the friendly locals, take a moment to chat. You'll find there a wealth of knowledge and incredible storytellers. And here's one more fun fact. During the tragic events of September 11, 2001, the US airspace was closed. Dozens of international flights were rerouted to Newfoundland and Labrador airports. The people of Newfoundland opened their hearts and homes to nearly 7,000 stranded passengers, providing them with shelter, food, and comfort during their unexpected stay. This heartwarming story of generosity and hospitality has since become a hit Broadway music called Come From Away, which celebrates the remarkable kindness of Newfoundlanders. Travel costs. Now let's talk dollars and cents. Traveling to Newfoundland can be affordable if you plan wisely. Here's a good to know tip. Consider traveling during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall. You'll find better deal on accommodations and activities. Also, don't miss out on local markets where you can grab delicious, budget-friendly meals. So, a daily budget for a budget-conscious traveler can range from approximately $190 to $370 per day. Keep in mind that this is a rough estimate, and your actual expenses may vary. It's always a good idea to plan ahead and research specific costs for your intended itinerary to create more accurate budget. Well, there you have it, fellow adventurers. Your ultimate beginner's guide to Newfoundland. We hope you're as excited as we are to explore this incredible destination. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your travel buddies, and leave us a comment below about your dream Newfoundland adventure. And remember, whether you're an experienced traveler or just starting out, the world is full of wonders waiting for you. So go out there and make some memories. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep being awesome. See you in Newfoundland.